Best credit cards in 2025. What if I told you the credit card in your pocket might be secretly costing you money instead of saving it? Think about it. Every time you swipe, you could be earning free cash, free flights, or even building your future credit score. But here's the shocking part: most people in 2025 are still using the wrong card. Today, I'll reveal the best credit cards of 2025 for cashback lovers, travel junkies, and students just starting out. Stick with me till the end, because the difference between the right card and the wrong card could literally be thousands of dollars. Imagine this: you buy groceries, gas, or pay bills, and your card pays you back. Sounds small, but it adds up fast. Chase Freedom Unlimited 2025 Edition. This card is a beast for everyday spending. Unlimited 1.5% cashback on everything, plus 5% on travel booked through Chase. It's simple. No thinking, no categories. Citi Double Cash Card straightforward. 2% back on everything. 1 when you buy, 1% when you pay it off. Wells Fargo Active Cash Flat 2% cashback with 0 annual fee. Clean, simple, and powerful. If you spend just $2,000 a month, a good cashback card could give you extra $400,500 per year, money that most people throw away without realizing. Now, for the dreamers, the ones who want free flights and luxury travel. If you love airports, hotels, and exploring the world, these cards are made for you. Chase Sapphire Preferred Legendary for travelers. You get 2x points on dining and travel, and those points are worth 25% more when booking through Chase Travel. American Express Gold Card. Not just travel, but foodies love this one. 4x points at restaurants and groceries, plus insane transfer partners for flights. The average American spends $3,500 on travel a year. With the right card, that could turn into 1 or 2 free international trips every single year. But what if you're just starting out? No credit history, maybe even nervous about approval? Don't worry, student cards in 2025 are better than ever. Discover it. Student Cashback. Earn 5% cashback in rotating categories like gas, Amazon, restaurants. Plus, Discover matches all your cashback in the first year, so $200 earned equals $400 in your pocket. Capital One Quicksilver Student Unlimited 1.5% cashback on everything. Easy, no thinking required. Chase Freedom Student Perfect Starter Card with $50 bonus after first purchase, and automatic credit line increases when you pay on time. So here's the truth. In 2025, credit cards aren't just plastic, they're powerful financial tools. The wrong card drains your wallet. The right card, it gives you cashback, free travel, and a strong credit score for your future. Ask yourself, which category do you fit into: cashback, travel, or student? Because choosing the right card today could change your money story forever. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs a better card, and subscribe for more smart money tips.